Hello everyone and welcome to another math video. Today we're going to be looking at how to evaluate a linear function from its graph. So they're going to give you a word problem, they're going to give you a graph, and then they're going to ask you a question about that graph. A reminder that this is the speedrun version of this lesson. So if you're looking for the full length lesson where we sort of go problem by problem, step by step, you can find that in the description below. Before attempting this lesson, you should already know how to graph, so if you need a refresher on that, I will link that in the description below. So let's take a look at number one here. For number one, it says, this graph shows the total number of quizzes Trevor has ever taken in high school, depends on the number of weeks he has attended school this quarter. After attending 4 weeks of school this quarter, how many quizzes will Trevor have taken in total? Okay, so 4 weeks on the graph, that's the x-axis. So 4 weeks, track up, and we go to this point right here. So at 4 weeks, we will have taken 8 quizzes. Okay, 4 weeks, 8 quizzes. So this is just sort of find the point on the line. Okay, let's try another one here. So I'll give you a second to read if you want to pause the video. Okay, now that you've read the problem, it said if Marshall buys 5 raffle tickets, what will the account balance be? So 5 raffle tickets is here, track up to the line. Okay, and this one is not right on a corner, it's somewhere between 1 and 2. Well, there's only one answer, that's between $1 and $2. Everything else, this is too big, this is too big, this is too small. Okay, so if he buys 5 raffle tickets, then his account balance is going to be $1.50. Okay, let's try this last one here. If you want to pause the video to read the problem. Okay, now that you've had a chance to read the problem, it says if Barry has read 70 books so far, how many months has he been with his book club? So for this one, it's flipped, okay? They give you, instead of giving you the X, they give you the Y. So 70 books would be here, tracking across, boom, here's our point, track down. So he has been, if he has read 70 books, he's been there for 8 months. Okay? All right, here's our cool clock for today, which means that it is time for you to try some of these problems on your own. So go ahead and pause the video and see if you can do these 2 problems, and we will check your answers in just a second. Okay, now that you've had some time to do these problems, let's take a look at number 1. For number 1, you should have said, okay, 3 miles. So you track that up, and then you match it up. And so on the graph, that'd be somewhere between 4 and 5. The only answer between 4 and 5 is 4.5. For number 2, you should have said, well, the budget is $300. So that's on the y-axis. So that's here, track to the line, and that would be 50 attendees, right? Because it said how many attendees. All right, that is it for today. I hope you all have a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.